Who likes packing? I definitely do not like packing. And I want to give you guys a hack, a packing hack, especially if you're going on a beach vacation. So this is a beach vacation packing hack. If you're traveling alone, if you're traveling with kids, whatever, this is for you. So check this out. Here's my suitcase. I just started packing it. And if you see down on the bottom what's in here, it's a beach bag. Yes, I pack an entire beach bag and I have it flattened and it fits in the suitcase, and then I can pack all my other clothes around it. So I think this is a great tip, and I'll tell you why. One, you don't want your carry-on bag to be your beach bag. I like to have that separate. I don't want, I don't have to take everything out that I had on the plane and this and that. This way you're ready to go with everything. So you pick a bag, like a flat canvas bag, like this one. And it's really nice and it can smush in your suitcase. I have fit so much in here, so let me show you what I have. I have a water safety vest, a life vest, a Frisbee, my wet phone case, sunglasses, more goggles than you could ever want, water shoes, a toy, a wet bathing suit bag, definitely another must-have. These are all my must-haves, guys. A snorkel mask, and then right here, I have all my sunblock. So my kids go through sunblock so fast, you keep reapplying, and I have all of it in here. I use the Hello Bello, the baby sunblock for my kids and myself, and this one I use the Babo for my face and for the kids' face. So anyway, check it out. You just put it flat like this. You get it as flat as you can, and you have everything ready to go. And that's it. It's such a great hack. And now you just put it in your suitcase. I'm going to show you over here like this, and you are good to go. So I hope I've helped you today.